Now in the previous video I gave you some assignment. So let us find the solution of that assignment by first creating the default constructor. And then let us create our parameterized constructor that should accept the three parameter of breed, size and color. So the solution to the assignment that I gave you in the previous video is this. This is our default constructor and this is our parameterized constructor. Now in case of parameterized constructor, whenever we create an object from the main.java, we can simply pass in the values of breed, size and color and assign it to the instance variable of breed, size and color respectively within our constructor of dog. So in this way we can simply supply the values to these instance variable of class dog. And now let us move a step ahead and check out what is the constructor overloading in Java. Now if you remember the concept of method overloading in Java, you must be knowing in case of overloading we have this definition. Same name but different signature or different parameter. So similar to the method overloading in Java, in case of constructor overloading we again have the same name but different parameter. So here what do we have here is we have two constructor. One is the default constructor and one is a parameterized constructor. So in case of default constructor, if you notice, we have the name of rectangle. And here again, we have the same name of rectangle. So our first criteria is fulfilled, that is same name, right? And the second criteria was it should have the different number of parameters or different type of parameter. So here in case of default constructor, we don't have any parameter. But in case of parameterized constructor, we have two parameters, right? So we can say that we have here the concept of constructor overloading as well. That is same name but different number of parameters. Now to elaborate more, you can also create multiple constructors as well, such as public, rectangle, and now we can also pass only float L, right? And assign the length equal to L. Like this. So here again it is known as the parameterized constructor just because it is containing some parameter. But here again if you notice we have the same name but different number of parameters. So we can say that these three constructors comes under the concept of constructor overloading in Java. Right? Now similarly within the dog.java we again here have the concept of constructor overloading if you notice here. And similarly you can create multiple constructors under this concept by passing different number of parameters. So this was a very short video on the constructor overloading in Java.